Microscopes are an important tool for alufinish. Thanks to the magnification of surfaces, microscopes can be used to detect error patterns, even in the smallest detail. With modern digital microscopes, this can be done even better and in greater detail.
Mit unserem neuen Digitalmikroskop haben wir viele neue Möglichkeiten, unsere Kunden bei der Bewertung von Fehlerbildern zu unterstützen. Welche das sind, schauen wir uns jetzt mal an.
Which defect patterns these are, we will see today with the example of 4 patterns. This defect part is a shiny anodized pattern on which clearly recognizable spots can be seen. Clearly recognizable spots under the digital microscope, these can now be examined more closely. The option of selecting the light offers much better possibilities to view the structure of the defect in more detail. In the second sample, tiny dark marks can be seen on the anodized surface. The task here is to determine whether these are holes in the material or elevations. With the previous conditions, it was often difficult to recognize whether these defects are depressions or elevations in the material.
Ja, hier kann man jetzt deutlich erkennen, dass es sich bei dieser durch Chloridkorrosion verursachten Störung um unregelmäßig ausgebildete Löcher handelt.
Sometimes you also want to look at the surface structure of good and bad patterns in the magnification. This is what we do now in the third example. Here you can see 2 different surfaces, one with a good surface and one with a coarse-grained surface. The grain sizes are to be measured and the surface roughness of the samples be compared.
Dieser Grobkorneffekt wurde übrigens durch zu viel Zink in der Legierung verursacht, was man dann sehr gut nach dem alkalischen E6-Beizen sehen konnte.
In the last example, it is just a matter of a simple inspection possibility, where an artificially applied scratch on this painted surface is to be checked. Does it really reach into the base material as prescribed or not? This could otherwise lead to different results in the subsequent corrosion protection examination. A simple look with a microscope is sufficient to check whether the paint has really been removed in the scratch area or whether residues are still visible. If the sample is already under the microscope, we can of course immediately measure what infiltration is present on this test part after the test. This enables an additional comparison to the otherwise usual visual inspection.
Erlaubt sind nach den Qualitätsanforderungen maximal 1 mm, somit ist alles in Ordnung. Und ja, wir können eigentlich sagen, dass das neue Mikroskop uns allein schon auf der Vergrößerungsseite viel mehr Möglichkeiten bietet, weil wir 200-fach vergrößern können, was wir mit dem alten Mikroskop mit 80-fach nicht konnten. Somit haben wir viele neue Möglichkeiten.